When I first started mechanics, I made a lot of mistakes.
Without the proper training, you can really do a lot of damage.
When I realized my engine was blown and had to be rebuilt, my wife Jenny started looking for some kind of online training that I could follow.
I figured this engine rebuild thing, it's a pretty big job. I really didn't want him to have to redo it over and over again. Plus, we needed the car back on the road as soon as possible.
That's when Jenny found this website, Honda101.com, that sells do-it-yourself training videos for all kinds of jobs on Honda cars and SUVs.
When I saw the engine rebuild video for sale, I said, this is what it takes. He can watch this DIY video for an hour and a half to get up to speed before starting the job.
Best of all, they had a video that covered my exact engine model.
I just remember watching him, glued to the screen watching that video. I said to myself, I did the right thing. A few days later, he had completely torn down and rebuilt an engine for the first time.
I could barely wait to start it up.
When it worked, he was so happy.
Well, it's not hard to celebrate after rebuilding your first engine.
Remember how hungover you were the next day?
Yeah, that was a rough night.
Yeah, well, we all had such a good time. He was so proud.
I would recommend Honda 101 engine rebuild videos to anyone.